Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Orúkọ mi ni Afeez Abiodun Seriki Ọlọ́pọlọ. A wà nínú ọgbà LTV ní Blue Road. À ń ṣe ìdárò lẹ́yìn ẹni wa tó lọ Aisha Abimbola ọmọge campus kí Ọlọ́run bá wa fọ̀run kẹ́ k'Ọlọ́run bá délẹ̀ fún. Èmi máa ń sọ kò sẹ́ni tí ò ní kú, gbogbo wa náà la dágbádá kú. Ọjọ́ kan náà ni gbogbo wa máa lọ, but ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíni. Ẹ jẹ́ á ṣe rere kó tó dìgbà lọ kí wọ́n ò lérò ìwà bàbá lọ tán. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rayo, Superstar Rayo. I made the tribute song for Aisha Abimbola. Though everybody knows her, she's an actress. She has been a good actress in the industry. Though I've been wanting to see her for a long time, but it's so unfortunate that we couldn't meet till she passed out. Because someone who I know introduced this me to this tribute stuff. So I did the tribute just because of the person I know. So that's all I can say about it. And may our soul rest in perfect peace. Thank you very much.